Today, we've got something truly exceptional to dive into. A machine that's not just a car, but a piece of automotive artistry. Buckle up because we're about to take you on a thrilling ride into the world of the BMW. But wait, before we dive into the heart-pounding details, make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on the latest updates from the automotive universe. Alright, welcome to our video today. We are going to talk about the BMW M8 Coupé Venom. Picture this, a harmonious fusion of jaw-dropping design, raw power, and cutting-edge technology. The BMW M8 Coupé Venom embodies the perfect blend of luxury and performance, making a statement as it gracefully glides down the road or roars on the racetrack. With its muscular contours and aerodynamic elegance, it's hard not to be captivated from the very first glance. But it's not just about looks, folks. Beneath that sleek hood, a beastly power plant awaits. The M8 Coupé is a powerful car with a strong engine. It has a twin-turbo 4.4-liter V8 that makes 617 horsepower, which is a lot. It can go fast and reach 60 miles per hour in just 2.7 seconds. Even though it's a sedan and quite heavy, it's as fast as some supercars. This car can send its power to all four wheels, which helps it grip the road well. But if you want to have some fun, you can also make it send all its power to the rear wheels. This lets you do cool drifting moves. The car has a smooth automatic transmission with 8 speeds. The inside of the M8 Coupé is fancy and luxurious. It looks and feels expensive. The design is classy and nice, and there is enough space in the back for passengers. The car comes with lots of cool stuff included, like a big digital screen for the gauges, seats that can move in lots of ways and remember how you like them, heated and cooled seats, and fancy leather seats. You can make the inside even fancier if you want. You can pick different colors and special decorations for the inside. There is also an option to get comfortable seats that can warm you up in the back, and they even have sunshades that go up automatically. But there are some seats you can choose that might be too tight and a bit hard to get in and out of, so be careful. In the back, there are 3 seat belts, but the middle seat is best for short trips or leaving it empty. The trunk of the Coupé is not huge. It can hold 11 cubic feet of stuff, which is less than what the RS7 can hold in its back. The fuel average of this car is estimated at 15 mpg in the city and 22 mpg on the highway. The V8-powered M8 Coupé certainly won't be confused for a hybrid. This is for today. I hope you liked this video, so don't forget to hit that thumbs up button and drop a comment below with your favorite feature of this jaw-dropping machine. Until next time, stay tuned.